Hi everyone, it's Paola. So today I am going to show you a very highly requested video of how I set up my bullet journal, and since we are going into April very soon, I thought I would show you the April setup, and it's essentially just the same as the March setup, but it's really working for me. So here's what I do in my bullet journal. So I am by no means a bullet journaler YouTuber, guys. I realize this is a lot harder to film than I expected, so like props to all the people who actually do this all the time for their channels. But I just do a monthly overview at the beginning of every month spread. So I do like this little calendar style view, and I just draw it up myself. And of course I do pencil marks before I go in with the pen because I am prone to messing up. As you can see, I've messed up a little bit, and I'm just gonna roll with it. And I write down the days of the week, and I number all of the days, and I just make it like a nice organized spread that I can see like what are the main things I'm doing this month. I use my bullet journal mostly for my work stuff, so it's not really for like school or really scheduling out my week, like what I'm doing every day. It's more like, when am I posting videos, when am I posting on my blog, when am I doing Instagram stuff. So I just try to keep track of all that through this. So my first spread, technically after the calendar, is the YouTube page, and don't judge me, I wanted to make a perfect circle, so I used a lotion, and it actually worked, so like, whatever, we're not trying to be perfect here. And trust me, my bullet journal is not perfect, I just wing it, and I'm not like a hand letterer or anything, but I think it looks cute. So I just do like this little chart where I can like write down my video, and then if I filmed it, if I'm editing it, and if I uploaded it, and I just like check that off. So you can see as the last month I did like ideas, videos, a growth tracker, and then of course the little chart. I also write requests, and like if you guys comment to me, I will write it down in my bullet journal and be like, okay, people want to see that, I'm gonna do that. So my next two pages are where I write out my schedule in a more detailed form, and then I write about my blog on the other page. So on the social media schedule, I write out all the dates, and I will put little symbols and what specific video or post or whatever is going out that specific day, or needs to be filmed that day, or needs to be written that day. So it's just like to keep track. Instead of all in my mind, I like to write it down when I'm doing it. And then for my blog, I write down the categories that I write articles in, and I write down what exactly I'm doing for that month. So I have like a different place where I write down just like a crazy amount of ideas, and then I streamline it to put it into my bullet journal. The last page on my bullet journal is where I keep track of my workout schedule and my expenses. So this is more of a personal page than a work page, but it's a really great thing that has been working for me lately. If I write down a little calendar where I can just fill it in with a color if I've worked out that day, or if I haven't, let's be real. I mean, I'm not very consistent, but I feel like the bullet journal is actually helping me be consistent. And then the expenses, I just write down everything that I spend and everything that I make, so I know how much is too much, and I just budget myself out a little bit. So I write the date, the description of what it is, if it's plus or minus, and then the amount. And I like to add a color to every month, so this month I decided to go with this Blick Peach Blush color, and it was actually kind of like smearing a little bit, but I like the way it looks because it's light pink, and I feel like April is light pink, it's a vibe, you know? So I just color in every single little highlight I want to do, and there you go. There is my bullet journal, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you want to see another video like this. I don't think I'll be like a bullet journal YouTuber, but if you want to see my process and anything else, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!